Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS AppSync GraphQL in mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your AWS account if you haven't already. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS AppSync service. Click on Create API to initiate a new GraphQL API. Choose the Build from Scratch option for a custom setup. Provide a name for your API. Select the authentication type suited for your application. For mobile apps, consider using API Key or Amazon Cognito as your authentication method. Once your API is created, define the data model for your application. Click on Schema to start writing your GraphQL schema. Use the GraphQL syntax to define your types in query. Once the schema is set, click on Save Schema. Next, navigate to the Data Sources section. Add a data source, such as DynamoDB, or link it to an existing one. Configure the permissions for the data source. Return to the Schema section to link your types to the data source. Create resolvers for your queries and mutations. For each resolver, specify the data source it will interact with. Once the resolvers are configured, test them using the built-in query editor. After validating your queries, head to the Settings tab. Copy the GraphQL endpoint provided, you will need it for your mobile app. Now, move to your mobile app development environment. Install the AWS Amplify library or the AppSync SDK, depending on your framework. For React Native, run the command to install AWS Amplify. Configure Amplify with the necessary AWS configurations and the GraphQL endpoint. Set up the authentication module if using Cognito. Create your queries and mutations in your mobile app using GraphQL syntax. Utilize the Amplify API methods to call these queries and mutations. Test the integration by running your mobile app and performing API calls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.